Hey, my name is Michelle, and I wanted to tell you my story and how I got to where I'm at. In my 40s, I noticed I started getting bad under eye bags, and they're hereditary. My dad has them, my grandmother had them, my dad's sister has them. I mean, we've got them, and I have them. It was really hard for me to get a job because people discriminate. Yeah, they do. And I just looked old. I know that people were looking at me and saying, man, is she drinking alcohol that her eyes are so puffy? I've used just about every product that's on the market and had minimal results. I've tried the Instantly Ageless packets that dry up. It's a cream, it gets white under your eyes. I tried Plexiderm, same thing, the white under your eyes. It gets all crusty and yucky, and honestly, my eyes would get so crusty throughout the week when I was using it that on the weekends they would be like cracking and bleeding. So on the weekends I'd have to be rubbing vitamin E oil under my eyes, and it looked even worse than when I started with the under eye bag. So I was kind of at a loss. And I found this revolutionary product, and I'm saying it's revolutionary because nothing else worked for me. And it's 2-minute instant eye lift, and comes in this little box. Comes with the little container. It's an airless pump, and that's what I've been using. I put it on my eyes. I don't have to tap. I don't have to fan. I don't have to do any of that stuff. And my under eye bags are flat. Crow's feet are gone. I know the lighting's not fabulous. I have a little bit of eyeshadow, mascara, eyeliner, but on the rest of my face, I don't. I don't have anything. And this gave me the confidence that I didn't have because I felt old. It was really upsetting because I kept saying, okay, am I gonna have to go get surgery on this? Because the bags are so bad and I look so horrible, and I didn't want to leave the house. I mean, it really looked terrible. I found this. It's amazing. I can't say enough about it. And I had nothing to lose but a little bit of money purchasing it and everything to gain. And I gained. I gained back my confidence, which that says a whole lot because, again, I had the under eye bags. You don't believe me? So I've got a white wipe. I am going to wipe under my eye, and you can see that the bag is going to come up. Under eye bags, once you get them, you can't get rid of them except with surgery. See, there's no makeup on this. No trickery. It's the same wipe that I'm using. See the bag coming out? What happens is the muscles around your eyes as you get older, they basically don't hold the fat pads in, and the fat pads will break loose and move forward. The way I like to compare it, it's like a hernia, and this stuff is coming out. And you can see that where I have the instant eye lift, it's flat. Where I just wiped it off, this is the eye bag. And it holds pretty well, so it's not popping out completely, but it's pretty terrible, the under eye bags. And you can see that it ages me. I mean, I can sit here and you can look at that as I'm covering this, and then look at this eye. Again, I'm not tricking, I'm not doing anything. I have nothing to gain from this. I was a rep for Instantly Ageless, and I got minimal results from that. I am going to take a little bit of this. It is a serum. It is not a cream. I'm gonna put it on my finger, and I'm just going to wipe. That's all you have to do. Not gonna fan, and I'm gonna chat a little bit more as this is drying. Again, it doesn't work as quickly as the other products, but it's far superior. I mean, I just can't tell you how much better this works for me, and it will last all day. I do labor, hard labor, outside in Texas in summer. It's hot, I get sweaty. I'd end up using the other products and have all kinds of white stuff looking like a clown all over my face and crusty, and people would come up to me, hey, you got this on your face. Yeah, I know. And then I'd have to put some kind of moisturizer on it so it would not be white and crusty. With this, all I do is I'll put it on in the morning, I'll go about my business, I'll brush my teeth, get dressed, do my hair, and this will dry, and I'll put a little bit of makeup on my face. I got some scars here, so you can see I don't have a lot of makeup on. And age spot, I'm 50, I've earned it. I don't want to look 50 or 60, and with the under eye bags, which you saw when I took this off, I look old, and I don't want to look old. I'm going to fight this as much as I can, but I also don't want to go and spend several thousands of dollars on plastic surgery. However, with the amount of money that I've spent on all these wonder products, I could have had the surgery and been looking like this. And this is getting flat too. You can see that when I had taken this off, I had crow's feet. They're all going away. You can see that I don't have them on this eye. If I wanted to, I could put this on my hooded eyes. However, I'm good enough with makeup when I really want to go out and look good that I can hide the hooded eyes. But you can see that in this little bit that I've been chatting, that this is almost flat on this eye, just like it's flat on this eye. And in fact, this eye bag is a lot worse than this. Unfortunately, they're not symmetrical. I wish they were. Be a lot easier for me. But again, I had nothing to lose and everything to gain, and I gained my self-confidence back. And I hope that in watching this video that you too can see that this works. I've not done anything other than wipe it off and then reapply. So there was no tricks going on. It's not Instagram or Facebook or Photoshop where you can cover everything up. You can't do that in real life. You can't do that on a job interview. And I learned that you can't do that on a job interview. And everyone thinks that you're old, you don't take care of yourself, you're a drinker, whatever. I mean, people assume, and that's what they assumed. But you can see that my eyes are flat. They're not white. I know you're getting some shine from my lights, but I'll step back and you can see that there's no white, no crusty, no nothing. Thanks for your time, and I encourage you to try this product. It's really good. It's 2-minute instant eye lift, and again, you can see that it does start to work fairly quickly. But have a great evening, great day, great morning. Thank you.